Alright, I am here at ARBORTREK Canopy Adventures to see if I can defy my fear of falling. Wish me luck.
Part of zipping good is looking good, so don't worry, we'll be working on that today. Okay guys, the next piece of equipment I'm going to hand out is the helmet. Okay, the sticker goes in the front. Inside of these helmets there's two little yellow wheels. You kind of just go ahead and do the Fonzie.
Good. Good.
Take your
Nice and
thumbs
tight
and
and
rub
safe.
back on these wheels.
So when Mike lifts you up, right, all you want to do is right hand, left hand, sit down, relax, keep your head over to the right, and I'll see you guys down there. Radio check.
Copy that.
See you later.
Okay. We call this one our sweet zip because it's the only one that's between two maple trees. Does anybody know what kind of maple tree this one is?
Sugar?
There are many kinds of maples, yes.
Sugar maple?
This is not a sugar maple, this is similar. This is a red maple. You can tell because the bark looks a little bit more like bacon. Also, unfortunately, I don't see any red. The red maple is obstructed by this birch tree right now. It's a little harder to see its leaves, but in Vermont, one of the things that you can help to tell the maples apart is red maples have 3 lobes on their leaf, so R-E-D, versus sugar maples, which have 5. So smart trees are just coincident, I don't know. So guys, just one technique thing. If you keep your head right behind your elbows like this, when we go to take pictures coming up, unless you're an elbow model, they're probably not going to come out that great. Okay, head on out. Whenever you're ready.
Man, Jeepos, those are some good looking elbows, man. I love those elbows. I'm gonna send it to you for a Sidus weekly.
I thought I got out pretty far.
No, it was actually pretty good. I'm messing with you.
It's working.
Zippy clear, zippy clear. You're a fan of heights, Jeep?
No, not at all.
He's gonna find a place to hang on.
Not even a tiny bit.
Nice job, Sherry. Thanks for wearing red. It really stands out for the photos. I guess.
By the way, I really like the way you set up this course. I was saying, I hope you don't hurt the trees. This is great.
You guys can
Yeah.
They're expensive to replace.
This is awesome.
And they take 40 to 60 years.
I was really impressed, man.
Yeah.
That was the one thing I was going to be critical of, and it's awesome.
Tom's Folly.
Thanks a lot, Tom.
So we are 43 feet in the air now, guys, in one of our eastern hemlocks. And as Jono said, the last one, if we taped all of the ground school and the first 2 together, it would be longer than this last one. Well, this one's longer than all of those combined.
The length has given this zipline a couple of nicknames. We call this one hot hands, right? We're using friction to slow ourselves down with these gloves. Another name, we call this one screamer. You know, because Sherry likes to scream a lot when she gets scared. Alright? The reason we call it screamer, if you haven't noticed already, these trolleys are really loud when you're zipping down, alright? People like to zip with the ears right next to the trolley, and you're going to end up with tinnitus. That means ringing in the ears. I'm basically a doctor. So what you want to do is get your head far out away from the cable so that doesn't cause a problem, right? And lastly, we call this one tear jerker, alright? Mainly because this is the furthest away from Mike you see anticipating.
Oh, so
I might bring
sad.
a tear to your. And then again, as steep as it is downhill, it is as steep going uphill. So at the low point of the cable, you're around 40 feet below the actual platform. So you still have a good uphill to go. So again, do not brake until you see my signals, else you're not going to make it all the way in. All right.
Okay, head on out.
Nice job. Zip is clear, zip is clear.
Called the yellow belly sapsucker.
Yeah.
The sapsucker loves hemlock trees. We're talking, I'll have you come on over here, Chris. What the sapsucker does is goes in, drills into those trees, just into the cambium layer, so sap comes out of the tree. That sap, when it comes out, releases a pheromone that bugs interpret as that tree is in distress, and so they attack the tree. And the yellow belly sapsucker just sits over here in one of the other trees and then gobbles them all up. So very few hemlocks ever succumb to them poking those holes in because they don't go very deep. But it looks pretty intimidating when you see it. So.
Unhooking them.
Okay, head on down.
Nice job, Sherry. Good landing.
Okay, what order do we want in?
And stop right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, trees. Perfect. Come on up. Stand right next to Sherry.
It's actually a serious challenge is try to scream the entire way down. Just keep in mind when you are screaming, you're expelling carbon dioxide, so it's actually very productive. It helps our trees grow stronger. You're doing us a favor. Okay, you want to go ahead and duck under for me?
Nice job. Good break-in. Alright, how was that one?
Fantastic.
Get the nerves going a bit. Zippy's clear, zippy's clear. You got the panic giggles.
Excitement giggles.
You got the excitement giggles.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
All right.
Nice job, Jeep. Good landing.
Thanks, man. This is when you do the music, right? Dun 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 dun.
Chris knows what's up.
There you go, perfect. Now what we're gonna do is just take this and just step over this one right here. There you go. And you can keep that right hand down by your hip. Okay. Okay, go down just a little bit. There you go. Okay. Go ahead, whenever you're ready.
It's pretty easy now, I'm actually.
Yeah, I'm a pro.
Okay, go ahead.
Nice landing, Jeep.
Going for the step. Didn't make it.
Hey, listen, you're alive. The points in my book.
All right.
Okay, head on down.
We made it, but we're not done yet. A lot still can go wrong.
Okay, Jeep, we're going to step a little closer to the edge. Left hand low for you. Right hand high. Sit back in your harness. Okay, and swing on out. Okay, just to make it, yeah, there you go. That'll burn less. Okay, go ahead and loosen up. Okay, you can swing in and go.
Nice landing, Jeep. Look at that, you have officially made it.
Yes. Woo!
Well, folks, I did it. I survived my treetop trekking adventure. The staff did a fantastic job of helping me feel safe. I highly recommend it. There'll be a link in the description down below if you want to go to the same place I went to in Vermont. Thank you very much for watching the EconoChallenge, and as always, I look forward to seeing you in the comments down below. Bye for now.